Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Roblox error code 2. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to open a browser and then you need to look for Roblox server status and then look if for the current date there is no errors on the server issue on Roblox itself. As you can see here, yesterday it was inability to access the site, so you just need to look if the problem is on your end or on theirs. If on theirs, you can do nothing about it, you just need to wait. Another thing that you can do here is to go to fast.com and test your internet speed and look if you're getting good internet speed or not. If not, maybe limit some devices or restart your router because it can be your network thing as well. And still, if this is not a problem, then what you need to do here, if you are, for example, on Windows, you need to write run on Windows search. Then you need to write %appdata%. Here you need to look for temp, or simply you just need to write run here and then write %temp% here, right? And then you need to look for Roblox folder in this list here. If you don't see on temp folder, then again look for run and then here write %local app data %. Then look for temp folder, then look for Roblox folder here. And if you see Roblox folder, you just need to delete that particular folder here. And the game should work. Also, if you are on mobile, then just go to apps, go to Roblox and clear your Roblox cache as well on mobile itself. So yeah, that's basically it. If I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.